Fellas, I'll be showing you how to solve something real menacing. Yeah, this thing. Horrified. Before we get into the video, I want you to like and subscribe to the channel. Please, I need it. Please. Now I scrambled it, and now let's start. First we're gonna make a white cross going like right here, and we have to do it like matching with the reds, like see, red white. We gotta match it like this, see, and we're gonna do the same on all four sides, like this. Orange here and blue all the way there. You can pause the video if you like, if you don't understand, but okay, fine. Let's go into the next step, this one. Now we're gonna put in the corners for the white side to finish, and it's gonna be this one, see, red, blue and white, like here, red, blue and white. We're gonna fit this in here. Simple algorithm. We're gonna do it this. No, actually I'll show you how to easily do it. Put this here, move this aside, put it up. Now return this. See, now it's there. Again, I said you can pause the video if you like, if you don't understand. Now we've got this here with this. See, orange, green, white, white, orange, green. We're gonna do this, then this, then this, then this. As you see, this is a white piece here, and orange here, blue here, but I'm gonna show you this algorithm. It's gonna be right side up, upside left, right side down, top side left. Again, right side up, top side left, right side down, top side left, and again right side up, and top side left, right side down, and voila, we got this. Now one last remaining. Again, do the same as I said. Okay, now we're gonna do the second layer. As you see, this layer, you see this is already solved, so no need to worry. We got this piece, red and blue. So if it's like this, put it straightly across right here like this. Now since blue is here, so let's put it the opposite direction, so it's like facing right here. So now do this algorithm. Left side up, top side left, left side down, top side left, front side right, top side right, and front side left, and there you go, fit it in. Now the same on all four sides. And now see, orange is here, so we're gonna do the opposite way and do this. Right side up, top side right, right side down, top side right, then front side left, top side left, then front side right, and there, see, done. At least you understand from here. Okay, now we're gonna do this part. The top, what's it called, yellow cross, like we did here. We're gonna make another cross right here that goes this way, like right here. Yeah, so now I'm gonna, you have to take it, yeah, you put it like right here, put this, make the L going this way, like at my right side, so it's pointing like, what can I say, pew pew. Move it there. Now we're gonna do this, front side, right, right side up, top side left, right side down, then top side left. As you may have noticed, when I did this was the same algorithm as before, so there was only one difference. And the same when you get a minus, now we put it here, the same this. Now you do the fourth step I showed in the corners I did with the white corner. And now we got a cross. Now we got a C. If look, these matches, but these don't. See, orange matches. Now to solve this, I have a, okay fine. To solve this one, which you might meet, will come like, okay fine, I'll show you how to do it. Basics first. We're gonna do it like this, right side up, top side left, left, right side down, top side right, right side up, top side left, and right, top side right side down. And now look around, see anything suspicious? Oops, these match. You have to get it like these two matching something. Like if it's red or blue, red and blue matching, then it's gonna be like blue here, red here, like that. And as you can see, orange and blue are, what can I say, inverted. So now to fix this, we put this south side at our left side. Now we put it the same thing as I said, right side up, top side left, top side left, right side down, top side right, right side up, top side right, right side down. Match, 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 match. Okay, now time to do corner. The basic thing, you see this is already in its place. Orange, yellow, green. And as you see, nothing else matches. So we're gonna take this spot in our right side and we're gonna do this. Left side up, top side up, then top side left, right side up, top side right, left side down, top side right, right side down. And now see, Now let's see if anything is perfect. Still imperfect. We're gonna do it again. Left side up, top side left, right side up, top side right, top side down, top side left, right side down, top side right. Now look, see matches, see blue, red, white, yellow, and also yellow, green, orange. Okay, fine. Now the final step, solving the whole cube. After all these steps, finally get to see numbers. Let's see. Okay, 3. Now look how easier way put the yellow one at your bottom now. Now do it like this. Like the first step, like the first time I showed you these white corners, like that. Right side up, left side this, down, and here. Then again. And you might be thinking, since it's scrambling, how is this gonna be solved? Trust me, trust the process. Now you see, this matched. Do the same on this one. Make sure it matches with the yellow, and you'll see why. And now, solved. And that's how to easily solve the cube in just, I don't care. So I'm gonna say bye. Please subscribe and like.